Hey everyone, welcome back to One Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your newsfeed on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to download the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you have to launch the app on your phone. Then on the bottom of your screen, you can see there are options like jobs, notifications, new post, and my network, including home. Well, the home is where you find your newsfeed. If you want to customize a newsfeed onto your favor, on the top of the screen there's search bar. Tap in hashtag anything or any job or any post you like. Then type that in and tap search. And there you go. You're gonna have posts on the newsfeed that are customized and preferred for you. And guys, that's it. That's all about newsfeed of LinkedIn. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.